Yellow groove! Look. She turned into a hailstorm. Now it's starting to rain like a son of a whore. Shout out to Yellow Groove, how to do it. How to come out and do the video for Yellow Groove. Look at my beard. It's all wet. Just like the horse she is. So shout out to you, Yellow Groove. I can't even get out there. It's scumming hard, eh? Look. Too bad, man. It hailed for about 5 minutes and then it stopped. Cheers, Yellow Groove. This one's for you. I got the Hungry Man dinner in the freezer. That was the biggest one I've heard for a while. What does that mean, Yellow Groove? We're gonna die? What about me? I don't want to go out there, man. It might kill my phone. There's so much. What about me? Just keep drinking, eh? But cheers. That's for you, Yellow Groove. Look at all the rain, boys. Massive thunder strikes. Oh shit. Thunderstorm. It started out with a bunch of hail. I tried to get out here when the hail was coming down. I just missed it by a minute. But anyways, shout out to you guys, and hopefully we all don't die. This is the end of the world, you know. It's gonna be hopefully there comes a snowstorm after this, boys. I'm gonna have to keep going live, keep drinking, keep documenting everything. I'm gonna have to eat a Hungry Man in the name of Yellow Groove and everyone else. See that? Massive thunder strikes there. But anyways, cheers, boys. It's the way of the road. Keep drinking. Thunderstorm for life. Break off, Randy.